How to delete your KreditBee account forever in 2026. Deleting a financial app account shouldn't feel impossible. But if you've ever tried to delete your KreditBee account, you already know it's not as simple as pressing one button. Many users think they've deleted it, only to realize later that the account is still active, their data is still stored, or they keep receiving notifications. So in this video, I'll explain exactly how to delete your KreditBee account permanently in 2026. And what most people do wrong. I looked into this because apps that handle loans, personal data, and financial history should give users clear control over their accounts. With many financial apps, you can delete your account directly from the settings. KreditBee, however, follows a very different process. And that's where the confusion begins. First, it's important to understand something critical. Uninstalling the KreditBee app does not delete your account. Logging out does not delete it either. Your personal data, KYC details, and loan history remain on their system unless you explicitly request account deletion. This is the first mistake most users make. Before you try to delete your account, make sure there are no active loans, no pending EMIs, and no outstanding dues. KreditBee will not process deletion requests if your account has any unpaid balance, even a small one. If you have an active loan, you must fully close it first and wait for the system to update your status. Once your loans are cleared, the next step is contacting KreditBee support. As of 2026, there is no permanent delete account button inside the app. You must submit a formal request asking for complete account closure and data deletion. This usually involves sending an email or submitting a support ticket from the app itself. In your request, you should clearly state that you want your KreditBee account deleted permanently, including all personal data, KYC information, and associated records. Be direct and specific. Vague messages often result in delays or generic responses. After submitting the request, don't expect instant deletion. KreditBee usually takes several business days to process account closure. During this time, you may receive follow-up messages asking for identity verification. This is normal since they need to confirm you are the account holder before deleting sensitive financial data. Now here's something very important that many people miss. Even after confirmation, keep records of your request. Save emails, screenshots, and any confirmation messages. If you ever face issues later, like account reactivation, data concerns, or unexpected communication, having proof protects you. Another common issue users face is silence from support. If you don't receive a response within a reasonable time frame, follow up politely but firmly. Persistence matters when dealing with financial platforms. So why does this process feel so complicated? Because financial apps are required to store certain records for legal and regulatory reasons. That doesn't mean your account stays active forever, but it does mean deletion is not instant or fully automated. To summarize, uninstalling the app is not enough. Clearing all dues is mandatory, and a formal deletion request is required. Once completed correctly, your KreditBee account should be permanently closed and no longer usable. If you're deleting your account due to privacy concerns, financial planning, or simply because you no longer need the service, following these steps ensures you don't leave loose ends behind. If this video saved you time or frustration, hit the like button, subscribe for more step-by-step app guides, and comment below if you want a follow-up video on deleting other loan or finance apps in 2026. See you in the next one.